Hi, this is Ron Kaufman. I'm the New York Times bestselling author of Uplifting Service, the proven path to delighting your customers, colleagues, and everyone else you meet. Now this year, I'm coming to see you in Vietnam. I'll be conducting a full-day workshop where I'll show you the secrets that companies like Singapore Airlines, Xerox, Wipro, Amazon.com, Nokia Siemens Networks, what are they doing? How do they apply a proven architecture to build an uplifting service culture and secure a sustainable competitive advantage? I'll show you exactly what they do and how you can apply the same strategies, the same action steps in your business, in your industry, in your magnificent country of Vietnam. I look forward to meeting you there, so register now at erci.edu.vn. Seats are limited, so go and register right now, and I look forward to seeing you. It's erci.edu.vn. Friends in Vietnam, I'll see you soon.